Hello everyone, my name is Mahmoud Rahman Labib and welcome to FlyWP's monthly recap webinar of August 2025. Without further ado, let's get started. Here we have the key updates from August 2025. We have plenty of major performance boost and security improvements along with powerful new features to simplify WordPress management. Along with that, we're gonna have a sneak peek into what's coming next, and as always, we have plenty of bug fixes and improvements all across the platform. First things first, now we have a browser-based terminal. This basically is a secure shell access directly from your browser into your FlyWP server. This can run commands and troubleshoot without external clients like Termius or Putty. And this stays active across all pages, and you can resize and minimize the terminal itself. This basically is an extra layer of authenticity for security. To access browser-based terminal, all you need to do is go to your FlyWP dashboard, and from there click on a server that you want to access the terminal for, and under Manage section you can find the SH terminal right here. To open the terminal, you need to provide your password. This has to be your account password, not your server password. And here I have access to the terminal. I can run any command as I like, and also this is resizable, and I can minimize it if I want to. This will stay active all the pages. Even in database page, I can actually open it if I want to. And to close the terminal, like simply you have to close, click on close, and it's gone. Next, we have install specific WordPress version feature, as we can choose WordPress version during site creation. This will let you stay with the latest release or roll back to older WordPress versions as you might need. This is basically ideal for plugin and theme compatibility testing. Sometimes one of your plugins might work on an older site and not on the latest version as well. You might want to try that the plugin that you have created or the theme that you've created might not be working on any older versions on WordPress. So this basically gives the developer, testers, and cautious site owners full control over testing. Let's take a look at the demo of this as well. So to test this, you need to click on create a new site. I'm going with an instance site with a FlyWP test domain, and after the configuration page, on the installation page, here I can see that there is the option to choose the WordPress version specifically. It will be default into latest, but if I want, I can switch back to WordPress version 5.4.17 to 4.7.29, and you can pick basically any version right from here. And when you pick an outdated version, it will always show you that extra warning that some features or some functionality might not work properly and you may miss important security updates. But this is really great to have in case if you want to test a plugin or a theme with an outdated WordPress version. Next we have Site Helper plugin status check. So all of you know that FlyWP installs a default plugin into a FlyWP site, which is the FlyWP Helper plugin, and sometimes that plugin might be turned off. So we don't really know that how to turn it on without getting access to the site's database or server, and also the magic login most of the time won't work as well. But now we have an indicator visible on your dashboard to check if the plugin is activated or not, and also we have added the option to auto fix it to resolve connections issues instantly. And this will make sure that the magic login feature or updates will work smoothly on your WordPress site. and this also helps your site keep connected to FlyWP at all the time. Let's take a look at it as well. So here I can see that there is a status that FlyWP Helper plugin, and right now I don't know the status of it. It might be active, it might not be active. I can just click on refresh, and whenever I click on refresh, it will get the status, and even if the plugin is deactivated, it will enable the plugin for me, so that magic login will work almost always. So right now I can actually access the site's dashboard with magic login because I know for sure that this is activated. So here I am in the dashboard of the site, and thus I know for sure that yes, magic login is perfectly functional. Next on, we have other fixes and improvements as well. Now we have a smarter database sync with auto cleanup feature and an extra security layer for PHP MyAdmin toggling. Also, we have improved UI navigation and added tooltips for better clarity. Like as always, we had improved the domain validation, SSL fixes, and we have also enforced caching rules for some parts of it, and migration, billing, and server creation issues have been resolved by far. So what's coming next? Next on, we have plans to embed WordPress core and plugin integrity check along with one-click apps, and it's more likely that we will improve our performance and security enhancements all across the platform. So that was all from August. Thank you so much for being with us, and thank you so much for using FlyWP.